cut past Mullaney and down to third man for 4.
He's on strike for the start of Patterson's next. And that's edged and taken at first slip by Joe Clark. And Bailey departs for 27. Patterson to Blatherwick. Punched off the back foot. That's nicely timed. Here goes Hamid in pursuit, but beats Hamid. And that 4 brings up the 250.
In and comfortable. Guide through down to third man. No one down there. Hutton in and driven through the covers. Brilliant shot there by Matty Hurst. It races away to the boundary and he gets his first debut 50, half century. Well batted, Matty Hurst.